If you're thinking about our ethos, one of those that come into play is putting learning first. So that's what we really want to focus on, is being able to provide good education to our students and better outcomes. One of the things that we started doing over the course of the past several years is transforming our industry from a publishing company into an actual technology company. And obviously the cloud is a big part of that. And that's when we decided to move into AWS and leverage AWS platforms to help us move and scale our platforms to grow with our changing market. We realized that we wanted to look at a SaaS provider and providing us identity management, and that's when we went with Okta. When we actually, our fall rush, like when students come into colleges and stuff like that, we have to be able to ramp up. We get tons of transactions per second. Okta being on AWS allows us to do that. As we looked at the different technologies and the different SaaS providers out there, Okta we felt like by far the leader in that, was going to provide us that value to really protect internal systems as well as our end users. We're moving more and more to the subscription model, which is a big benefit to our students because it reduces costs tremendously. It provides value from that perspective, but we have to be able to scale. So AWS allows us to scale from that perspective. When you think about it from Okta's perspective, similarly, we wanted identity management that's going to allow us to focus on our core systems and our core competencies versus us having to build our own or roll our own homegrown identity management solution. We want to make sure that we're providing the best content, the best activities and items that they can go through as they go through these different courses to actually have those best outcomes at the end of the day.